You can see this new and free app and gain as much as $100,000 just for playing games on it. Also, you have people from throughout the world already making thousands of dollars with it. These apps are available for both iOS and Android, and any person can install them free. So, if you ever dream of investing hours on your phone, having a good time playing games and making a big money online, then your desire comes true because now you can lay down on your bed throughout the day, play games without really feeling guilty because that's what makes you money. However, before we start, welcome to our channel and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever you upload a new video, you will be updated and start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, to optimize your outcomes and earn more money, I will show you 3 different apps which you can install on your smartphone device and start making money today just by playing fun video games. The last app I will show you have paid over $11 million in total. As well as you will certainly see exactly what that is. As you can see with the first app, you can win different prizes, beginning with a contest where you might win as high as $1 million. Enter your $1 million crack the code contest for the possibility to win up $1 million in money. 3 finalists will certainly be chosen. Each will win $5,000 guaranteed. For those 3 finalists, one will undoubtedly win the grand prize finalist, as well as will undoubtedly be selected to crack the code and have a chance to win $1 million. Now, this is not guaranteed, but you have a possibility if you can beat in this contest. You have a possibility as much as win $1 million, which is massive for a free app. Even if you win 5,000 cash prizes, that would suddenly still be huge. Second prize, the second contest that they have, is a $100,000 contest. It's a sweet contest. You can enter the fantastic money contest. Also, you have a chance to win as much as $100,000 in pure money. One finalist will be picked to play our Sweet Money digital game and have a possibility to win up to $100,000. This game is enjoyable and also exciting. I mean, you can play a game on your phone and have a possibility to win as much as $100,000. That's just insane. You don't have to sell anything. You don't need to provide any service. You don't have to film yourself on camera or invest any money. Yet, you still have a chance to win huge with this app. They also have different prizes which you can win. So, it's a wonderful app to install. Right here, you can see various people from throughout the world who are making money with this app just by playing games on their phones, being genuine winners daily. You can win as much as $10,000 instantly and get an excellent contest daily. There are new contests and new rewards every day with over 1 million champions today. You can be the next. As well as right here, we can see each one of our champions from this website. You can see exactly just how much they are making. If you are wondering why this app is paying you to play those video games, they will certainly reveal to you some ads within some apps. They will be showing some ads within those games. They are splitting the other earnings with their users. To make sure that's a beautiful strategy because they are additionally making a great deal of money. Besides earning money by playing a video game, you will undoubtedly play for genuine rewards, not any in cash coins or points, but actual rewards. You can make tokens as you play and conserve them to retrieve gift cards from over 30 notable brands and retailers. These apps have been featured on several of the main media sources like Discovery Channel and Yahoo, which is ridiculous since it indicates it's a big one. Also, there is a strong possibility within these apps. You can see that it is available for both iOS and also Android. So, both sides are going to be satisfied. It is the very first app that we will be making use of and called Looktastic. It is already at looktastic.com. Likewise, you can look for it in the App Store or Google Play Store just by looking for Looktastic, installing the app to your smartphone device, and stay tuned to see even more apps. So this is the first app you can use to play games and make money with your phone. It is the second app that you can use to generate income by playing games on your phone. It is not the one that has paid over $11 million in total. So stay tuned to see which one has, and you can see that you can win cash by playing free games. They are sharing back their revenue, and also once again they are just showing you advertisements within the app and the video games. While you are playing it, they will be showing you some ads, and they are splitting the ad income with you, which is a fantastic business model since it implies that this app also generates income. You are also earning money just by playing games and having a good time with your phone. You can see that these apps are available in iOS and Android, which is already excellent because there will be no problem in the comments like this works for Android and I have an iOS or vice versa, because this is available for both sides are going to be satisfied. You can select the various games in big time. You will collect tons of tickets while playing those games. So you will utilize those tickets to get in the competitions and contests to win cash prizes. When the moment goes out, the tickets are arranged and also the winner is attracted. Every day you have an opportunity to win some prize money. So don't bother with it. Below we can see all of the various games you can play within the app to make those tickets that you can retrieve for real cash prizes. All these video games are pretty fun as well as exciting and something that most of us would generally play online. Now you will get paid for playing those games. They can certainly indeed be exciting. I mean, who pays you to enjoy on your phone? So it's a fantastic app and I extremely recommend it. These are all various games that you can play. Also, you can browse it once it gives you the platform name. Right here you can see the current winners as well as just how much they have been making. As you can see, for example, this girl from Spain made $3,375. This person from USA made $3,335. This lady from Italy made $3,290. And this lady from Brazil made $3,135 and more, etc. You have people worldwide making a big money with this app just by playing games on their phones. So it's most definitely an excellent one, as well as there is a great deal of cash to be made with it. The platform is called Winner Games, but the app is actually called Big Time. To discover this, or winnergames.com, and you can install a Big Time app on your smartphone device. Whether that's an iOS or Android, you can install it. Play those video games, earn those tickets, as well as hopefully win real cash prizes. As well as the final app, which we will certainly be utilizing. This is a place where you can make rewards that you might exchange for Amazon, Visa, Google Play, gift cards and several others. And the one thing that makes this app various is that it will give you new games recommended just for you. So it would undoubtedly give you a target game you are most likely interested in. You would suddenly tell them what games you love, what you wish to play, and provide you with those games to play. So it's going to be an even more fun process of making money with this app. You can see step 1 is to discover new games suggested just for you. Step number 2, you will play those games and collect those units. They call those points units. The longer you play, the more you earn, and in the long run, you will retrieve those units for real cash and genuine rewards. Redeem your units for awesome rewards. Every week, they have new contests and also, as you can see, get in for a possibility to win the grand reward. We launch a new contest every week, and the last contest for each month provides an epic grand prize. It includes large rewards and big money. That also makes this app truly unique and great because you can play with close friends and make new ones, which is wonderful since this app has an in-app social experience. It permits you to see what your friends are playing, compete with them on the leaderboards, or kick back and have a conversation with them. Here you can see what people say about the app, people who are currently utilizing this app to earn rewards and cash. So you can read what they are discussing in this app, and they are mostly leaving 5-star feedback. The games are varied and enjoyable, and there is something for everyone. Might as well make money while you have a good time. The app is genuinely well made and runs with no problems. Unfortunately, this app is currently just available for Android and is just open on Google Play. but it claims it's going to come up soon in the App Store too. For now, yes, it's just available for Google Play. But anyway, the previous two are available for both iOS and Android. Yet this is just for Google Play, and also this app is called Mist Play. It's their official homepage over at mistplay.com. Now you can go over to Google Play Store and look for Mist Play. Install it, select the game you intend to play, make those points, coins and units as well as they will give you for playing those games. As well, in the end, cash out and spend that cash on whatever you want to. Every week has a new contest. That's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Hit the like button. If you have any concerns or points of view about the video, leave a comment below and I will see you in the following videos.